How many people are in science? 9 of them. So you trace
9.
to 9. 9 is halfway. You are meant to use ruler. Did you hear me?
Yes.
You are meant to use ruler. Then you draw the bar. You bring it down. So I stopped at 9. I stopped at 9. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
So the next one, history. How many are there in history? 12. You go to 12. 12. You know, the one you are seeing now is literacy, which is 11. 12 is small line above it. So you trace it down, making your rectangle. You are meant to use your ruler to do it so that it will be straight. The last one is numeracy. How many are there? 15. You go to the middle of what? Middle of 14 and 16. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That is our 15. You trace it down, then you bring down this one. So this is how we can complete the history, the bar charts. Is that okay?
Yes.
It is called bar chart. So that should be a space between the lines, the rectangle lines. There should be a space between them, equal space. Let's go to the next question. Which two subjects are equally popular? What are they? Can you tell me?
The equally popular.
Yes. That is literacy
Literacy and
and the PE. They are 11, equally popular. Their number of children doing the subjects are equal. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That is why they are equally popular. Now let's move on. How many children chose literacy and the numeracy? Literacy and numeracy. Literacy, there are how many?
Literacy is 11.
11. And what about numeracy? How many are there?
15.
15. You plus them to know the number of children. So your answer will be how many? 26 children. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Let's go to another one. Add the missing sign to make this correct. What do you think I should put? 21-4 equal to 84. What will I do? What sign?
You do. Wait.
Is it
Times?
times? Is it division? Is it subtract? Is it addition plus? Which one should be? It is times that is correct because
It's because 21 plus 4 doesn't equal 84.
yes. But when you do 21 times 4, you get 84, isn't it?
Yes.
Accurate. Let's go on. And he says, can you read? 232 apples were picked from where? An apple tree. And they stored in a garage. Unfortunately, a week later, 79 of the apples had been nibbled by mice, and they had to be put in the composite bin. Therefore, how many apples were left?
Take away.
Take away is correct. So we are going to write what? 232 take away. You are a very smart girl. So 2 take away 2 is 0.
No, 79. It's 79.
73 take away 7. Sorry, 13 take away 7 will give us 6. Then you bring down 1. How many is remaining? 160 apples.
No, it's 79. Not
Okay,
72.
79, not 72.
Yeah.
Oh, in that case, I have to correct that place, right?
Yeah.
So I remove 72 as well as the answer I got because it's going to change. So I'll write 79, isn't it? Borrow 1 from 3, it will remain 2. Put it on 2. It becomes 12. 12 take away 9. We give us 3. Borrow 1 from 2, remain 1. Put it on 2, that is 12. 12 take away 7 is going to give us 5. Then bring down 1. So the number of apples left will be 153.
153.
Excellent. 153 is remaining. Let's go to next question. School finished at what? Can you read? Fast.
School finished at 3:20 p.m. A man arrives home 45 minutes later. Show on the clock the time that he arrived home.
Okay. The time that he arrived home, isn't it?
Yes.
So what am I going to do? Tell me what I will do. Hurry up.
You have to draw.
I will first plus it to know the time he arrived. So I will do 3:20. He took how many minutes to get home? How many minutes? 45 minutes. So 3:20 plus 45, 0.45. So this is a 0.45. Therefore, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 3. What will I do next? I will subtract 60.
63. 65 take away 60.
And when you take away that 60, you put it on 3. That will become 4. Do you agree?
Yes, because
then
65 isn't on the time.
Yes, you now write 05, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the man who came back home at what time?
4:05.
5 minutes past what? 4. So they say show on the clock. See what we are going to do? The shorthand is going to be at 4. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
The shorthand will be at 4. And the long hand is going to be how many? 5 minutes past 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to draw the long hand at 1. The long hand is at 1. While the short hand is at what? 4. So that means 5 minutes past what? 4. Is that okay?
Yes.
That is how it can be drawn. Let's go to the next one. Draw another mirror line on this space. How do we draw another mirror line? What do? We will draw it here so that it will be equally divided. Is that okay?
Yes.
Can you see what I did? You are going to do it using your ruler so that it can be straight. Mine is not straight. Let me repeat it again. So, but when you are using your ruler, you don't need to, once you place it correctly at the middle, you draw a very straight line. Is that okay?
Yes.
So that is how it can be drawn. And that is simply dividing it into 2 equal parts. Mine doesn't still look very the way I want it to look because I'm not using ruler. So I think this is better off. All right. So that is how that can be drawn. Let's go to another question. Another question under it says what? 227 and the 449. They say what is the total? You add. Am I correct?
Yes.
Don't get distracted. You plus the 2. When I plus, I'm going to get 7 plus 9. Will give me 16. Move 1 to the next. 1 plus 2 plus 4 will give us 7. Then you plus 3 and 4. You get another 7. So our total answer now is 776. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Finish shading the square on this shape so that 1/2 of the shape is shaded.
Oh, yeah.
So how many are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you are meant to shade 5. When you shade 5 out of 10, that is 1/2. Do you understand?
Yes.
So you shade any extra 3 because they have shaded 2. So I shade this one.
Draw it.
When you want you to write it, you will draw it, divide it into 10, and shade 5. Is that okay?
Yeah, I'm drawing it now.
Hold on, let me finish because you are going to write down everything I have done on this paper 24. We are just explaining it after I give you some minutes to put it down so that you pay attention to what I'm doing. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I shade another one. They have shaded now 2 plus 2. I shaded, making it 4. So I will shade one more. So let me shade this one. Now, at this time I shaded 3, which means 5 out of 10 is shaded. And that is exactly 1/2. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right, so we have completed this paper what? Test 24.
24.
Yeah, as well as test 23. All right, I will allow you to write all of them down now.